help you.
Unfair. Disqualified. Cleaning is one of the most boring things that you could do in your free time. But if you're a clean freak, you might say otherwise. He's a clean freak. So today our producer has actually challenged us to do something behind that door. So let's go find out what it is on this episode of Tech Duels.
How messy is it going to be?
Oh.
Oh. That's a lot of confetti.
So the challenge, the office needs a quick cleanup. You are required to use the tools in front of you to clean the office until it's spotless. Assemble your cleaning tool.
But yours is already assembled. Okay,
Does that mean I can start early?
Yep.
Oh, I thought I would get the Dyson. But then when I got the broom and pan, I was like, it's fine, I got this. You are required to clean the floor until it's squeaky clean. The player using the Dyson will use the floor cleaner attachment. Try your best to avoid disturbing your colleagues from working while cleaning. The floor must be so spotless that you can eat off it.
I'm building the Dyson, but so far all I have is... This one I'm very curious. I have no idea what this is. No, this one is for the carpets, I think. Usually when you open a vacuum, it's just like A, B and C, but this one is like A until Z or something like that. I think this one is a floor cleaner, but it might be the small one.
Meanwhile,
Mr. Producer,
Yes.
can I use my fingers?
Two?
Pick up the ones that cannot be swept?
No, only a tool.
Okay, my slipper is a tool, right?
Why would you use your slipper? How does that help?
Can I sweep his things to his side?
Let me try. Yep, it's working. This one is on battery mode, is it? Oh!
Medium.
Ooh!
Boost.
Okay. Okay, that's loud. Can I change the attachments?
My arm. Oh my god.
Look at the track.
What's in here?
I help you lah, I help you lah.
Hey,
I help you lah.
unfair. Disqualified.
They didn't say I must be on the left side, ma.
It was pretty easy to use the broom and dustpan, except for the fact that the confetti would stick to the floor. I've been stuck here for a while.
Yeah, pretty much.
The other side is so much. Yeah, this one is quite light actually, lighter compared to my usual cordless vacuum.
Obviously, the vacuum has a lot of advantages. It's faster, it has its own like little trash can, so you don't have to keep dumping it out. And then as I went to dump out the confetti, like it would fly out from my dustpan.
Blame it on the equipment.
The broom is good, but the dustpan sucks. It's kind of tough to actually sweep up very thin stuff into the dustpan because like there's a gap.
Hey, tolong lah.
Okay, like that lah. Your rubbish still got a lot there.
Clean all the dirt from the office chairs so that your colleagues can use them again. The Dyson player will use the mini motorized head attachment. Ooh, okay. Mini motorized head. Okay, I think it's this one? Okay, this one works.
This one loose already lor. Actually, maybe not. Spoke too soon. It's very disgusting. Make sure you don't sit on this chair.
Okay, the Dyson player has to utilize the light pipe attachment to clean under the snacks cabinet, while the broom player has to clean the shoe rack. Oh! This one looks like a pipe. This?
Try this.
Oh, wow. There's a light on it. Ooh, okay, cool. As I started to clean in the scene cupboard, I used the short attachment, and that allowed me to go into the nooks and crannies of things, and I think like having the attachments is quite useful.
Can I wear a mask? So only in the holes.
I think I did clean a lot of dust, so like my side was quite clean from all the smaller particles because of the vacuum.
We're gonna see how clean the floor really is. So you guys will get a lint and then go and sweep up all the areas that you've cleaned. And we'll see how dirty or clean your rollers are.
Ooh, okay.
Wow, so clean. So the challenge is finished and we have used a lint roller to clean up after our cleaning activities, and as you can see, I clearly won.
I wrote through some of the parts where I didn't specify to clean. That was part of why my lint roller was so disgusting.
You need to have skills to use it. So even if you have the most high-tech stuff, if you don't know how to use it well or you don't use it properly, you're still not going to win.
I failed by user error. I think the Dyson is quite capable of cleaning the fine dust compared to a broom. Technology rules anyway.
So because I won, now Rico has to clean the rest of the office. Happy cleaning.
I have this, it's okay.
So this is the end of our challenge, and if you liked what you saw, follow us on our social media to see more Tech Duel episodes come out in the near future.
Okay, Rico, get back to cleaning.
Okay.